ended up a summary, like they found a book and they taught to their grandfather about that, and they were really thinking how that scenario was different for this one. And actually there were two characters, ma'am, Margie and Tommy. And Margie was discussing with Tommy about the books. They had the books. Actually they thought that their computer storage is better than a book because it can store more as a book can store. And they were actually fighting and quarreling for that reason. And at time they were very busy reading, and it even came a discussion that what about the school. So they thought very funny about the school and didn't understand the real meaning of school. And even Margie hated school because of her geography, some issues with her geography teacher. So the Mrs. Jones actually, so we can conclude that Margie's name is Margie Jones, and we can say the Jones family went and asked the county inspector about, and and they finally came to a conclusion that it was too quick. But even though she didn't like that decision, because even now the geography teacher didn't went off from her class, and so she was so disappointed, and she was hoping that teacher would go away to her. And history sector also happened the same with her brother, but her brother was as lucky, and the history sector was removed. She was very disappointed with her brother's situation than hers.
Okay. Thank you, Anand. That was a good
Thank you,
analysis
ma'am.
indeed. Okay. Now, can someone tell me, is that where exactly we stopped in the previous class?
Can I say, ma'am?
No, ma'am. Even Mrs. Jones took Margie.
Ma'am,
I'm asking only Achyut. I'm asking Achyut. I'm asking to Achyut. And others, please remain silent. Achyut, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Can I tell, ma'am?
Yes?
Ma'am, I would add that Mrs. Jones took the Margie to the county inspector about asking how she's not understanding the geography classes. I mean biology classes, and the county inspector was researching about the computer and
Hmm. Hmm. Then what happened?
am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, you are.
Ma'am, and the county inspector took researched the computer about Margie and and kept it in the 10-year old computer basis, ma'am.
Kept it to a slow and kept it in the average of 10-year levels. She is 11-year-old girl, but he reduced it the speed to a 10-year level. Okay, so that she can understand the
Understand
subject.
it. Actually, she
Okay.
is 11 years old, ma'am. But the
Yes.
county inspector made it 10 years old to understand better.
Ha, ha, ha.
That level of syllabus was and teaching experience low down.
I did not get you, Anant.
Ma'am, actually, I thought that Achyut said correct, and it was bit shaky that sentence, ma'am. Actually, they said that the level of teaching it made them slow.
Yes,
How a
yes.
10 years child was teached, it will be taught to an 11 years child. Means the level
Yeah.
of teaching will be low.
Yes, 1 year low, so that she
Yes,
can
ma'am. I thought
understand
that would be
better and she can
nice
do
to say.
better in geography. So that was the solution, and that's how the problem was fixed when Mrs. Jones and Margie approached county inspector for the solution. And then she wished for the geography teacher, but that did not happen. Okay, till
Ma'am, and
there.
even she was jealous about her big brother, about her elder brother Tommy, about having no history classes for a whole month.
For the whole month, yes, correct, true.
yes, ma'am.
County
Okay.
inspector even the said that no
Yes,
man
ma'am.
that
Uh,
They
her
describe it county
perform
inspector.
our performance is quite
Performance
satisfactory like
games.
that, ma'am. Yes.
satisfactory, yes.
And
Okay,
even
till
there was a meeting conducted by county inspector and Mrs. Jones, ma'am.
that's
Yes, ma'am.
great, and everyone took good participation, and you all are enthusiastic. Thank you so much. You understood it better. Okay. Your level of comprehension is good. Okay. I think you can understand whatever I explained to you. And I'm also doing it line by
Yes,
line
ma'am.
so that every child can
Yes, ma'am.
get what we are speaking
Yes,
about
ma'am.
or explaining about the
Yes, ma'am.
subject.
Thank you for the good teaching, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for the
Thank
session and
you.
you're teaching
And
well.
I got a good students. I'm so happy for you. Since yesterday was our first class and you are really involving good in the classroom and your interaction with the teacher is really good. I'm happy for you and thank you and keep up the same spirit. Keep involving like this and learn with lots of enthusiasm. Okay. We'll now we'll continue with the explanation. Till then, we have discussed in the previous class. Now, would you like me to share the slides with you? Like how we done in yesterday's class?
Your wish,
Of
ma'am.
course,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Of course, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Your wish, ma'am.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
you could, you can, ma'am.
Because some of your friends don't have textbooks. So,
Anyways, is fine.
yes, it will be beneficial to everyone. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
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 Yes, ma'am.
Clearly, ma'am.
Okay. Turn off your microphones. Turn off your microphones. Till here we completed. Okay, completely. So she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? So she was wondering, so what is there to write about school? Because she is not, she hates school, first of all. She hates school. And she also doesn't like the way the school is functioning in her time. So she already had a, dislike about schools. So she was asking her friend, there is we don't know whether Tom is her real brother or a neighbor or a friend. It is not given in the textbook. So she is asking Tommy, what is there to write about school? But the real fact is, in olden time, Margie's grandparents and Tommy's grandparents had a school where everyone learnt in schools with the teacher, sorry, from the teachers. They had real textbooks. So the school was fun. The school was really a good place where each and every child enjoyed the process of education or the process of learning. So, grandparents registered that in their diary or in their books, and that book is now in the hands of these future generation kids. So, they were talking about why anyone would write about school. For that, Tommy replied, Tommy is 2 years elder than Margie. He knows many more things than Margie because he's elder, he's experienced, he learned. Okay. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. Superior means because he knows more things than Margie. So that attitude will be there. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He added loftily. Loftily means in a superior way. Okay. For that, Tommy replied, stupid girl, this is not our kind of schools. They had a good schools or they had a schools where they had fun. The fun they had. So that's why they wrote about schools. You don't like schools now, Margie, because you don't have a enjoyable environment at present or in the school. So she is liking, but no, Tommy is trying to change her perspective about schools, and he is saying the positive aspects of the previous schools because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. See, he is stressing on the word centuries ago, to enable Margie to understand what kind of a schools her grandparents had that is centuries ago. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. They had a teacher, and it was a man, as you can see in the text, in the picture. Okay. See, when Margie was talking to her like that in a superior manner, Margie felt hurt. Okay. For that, she replied, well, maybe I don't know what kind of school our grandparents had centuries ago. They had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, and since Tommy is holding book for himself, she just leaned a little on his shoulder and read for a while. That means for a few moments, few seconds. Then she said, "Anyway, they had a teacher, because Margie and Tommy is having only robotic teachers, right? Their kind of education is like tasteless. They are, they hate schools. They don't like the present teachers that are robotic teachers. But now olden generation or the grandparents had a teachers who are human beings. It was a man. A teacher was a man. So they are really appreciating the old kind of school, and they are saying, anyway, they had a teacher. Na, that is positive aspect for them. Next one. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. So Tommy told this dialogue that sure they had a teacher. Yes, Marky, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Regular here means normal, of the usual kind. So what do you think regular teacher here means? Kalyani?
A
Robotic
human.
teacher.
Yes,
Robotic
yes,
Robotic
yes,
teacher.
yes.
Robotic teacher.
Ah, sure, they had
Robotic
a teacher.
teachers.
It wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. So they are comparing today's teachers to the olden generation teachers. Today's generation, for them, I'm talking about them, that is 2157 years in the future. I'm talking to them. I'm talking about them. The regular teacher mean they are talking about their teachers that are robotic teachers. And they are comparing, sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher
Ma'am,
like we have now. It was a man or it
they
was a
did.
human being. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Tell
they
me.
did. Ma'am, they did not felt strange about it, ma'am.
Yes, they felt strange in every dialogue. That's why there is a funny discussion. There is a surprise discussion. They felt awe. They felt surprise and curious also. That's
The book is not. The book is
huh?
not moving, no, ma'am. So they even surprised the
Yes,
book is
ma'am, it
not
is
moving
not
at
of
all.
their generations.
The pages are
And
not moving.
Okay, now turn
It's
off
not
your
of their generation things.
turn off your microphones. Yes, they they found book as a like an ancient thing, like a surprise. Uh, every moment they were finding it like a surprise and curious, like a strange about books and about the old kind of education. That's why there is a funny discussion going on between future kids. And a man, how could a man be a teacher? This was, this is the Margie's dialogue. So Margie was surprised when Tommy told human beings used to teach in the olden generation. For that, Margie replied, a man, how could a man or a human being be a teacher? Margie is surprised like this because obviously she used to robotic teachers all the time. That's how their education, and that's how in her mind a teacher means only a robotic teacher, because she has been practiced to it, she used to it. So when Tommy told that in ancient generation, in olden time, human beings used to teach children, Margie felt shocked and she asked like this, a man, how could a man be a teacher? Anta. Next for that, Tommy replied, well, he just told the boy, he means a teacher, a man. He just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. A man is not smart enough. This is the dialogue by Margie. And Tommy told in the above sentence that what was the teacher's work in the olden time? He used to explain things to the boys and girls and give homework and check it and then ask questions. Please turn off your microphones. Okay. And that was the teacher's work. For that, Margie replied to Tommy that a man isn't smart enough, I think. That means olden teachers are not smart enough. So this was a comment made by Margie. For that, Tommy replied, don't think like that. Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. So here, my teacher means present, robotic teacher. When Tommy told my father knows, that means olden generation, right? Thomas' father, belongs to 20 or 30 years ago, like 2 to 3 decades ago. So, Tommy's father also had a olden kind of education. So he is saying, sure he is. That means sure a man knows and he is smart. That means human teachers were smart because my father was a student of a human being and he knows much better. My father knows as much as my teacher. ಒಬ್ಬ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದವ ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾದರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಮಗೀಗ ರೋಬೋಟಿಕ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Teachers are
Yes, ma'am.
smart. So Tommy is defending olden kind of system of education, and Margie is suspicious about olden kind of education, and she is asking doubts and commentary and all that, and Tommy is defending or supporting these old system of education, and he also told this statement to support his argument, that is sure he is, that means human teachers, sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher, that is robot now. He knows almost as much. I betcha. Betcha means here informal. That is bet you. I'm sure. Anta. So challenge. Betcha means challenge. So Tommy is telling Margie that he knows almost as much, Margie. That means my father knows almost as my teacher now. I challenge you that. I can prove you that, Anta. So Margie replied, Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. So Margie didn't know much things about that, about old education. So she was not ready to have a debate with Tommy or dispute or quarrel on this point. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. She told, okay, you are saying that human beings used to teach, right? But for me, I don't want any strange or unknown man in my house to come to teach me. For that, Tommy screamed with laughter. He laughed like anything. He told, you don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in the house. They never used to come to your houses or to each and every student's house. They won't go to student's house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. So Tommy, giving facts to Margie, making her to understand that as you think, teachers did not go to each and every child homes or teacher did not stay at students' home, Margie. Because why Margie is telling this, because her robotic teachers stayed in computer or all the time stayed in her room, right? So she was in that she was in that notion. She had a fixed notion that okay, teachers mean they will stay in every student's rooms, because she had a robotic teacher, and that was robotic teachers can be in students' homes in the form of digital mode or in the form of in computers. So she thought like that and told Tommy like that she don't like a strange man to come to her room and to teach. That Tommy told, no, don't think like that. You were thinking is wrong. The teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building, and that is called school. And all the kids went there. So teachers used to teach in the schools, and all the students used to go to schools. And there the teacher used to teach, not in the homes of students. Tommy screamed with laughter. Okay, that is over. And all the kids learned the same thing. Margie again she kept on asking doubts, and all the kids learned the same thing. Tommy replied, "Sure, if they were the same age." Just like you, right? You are now having this education. Now you are in 2021. You all are learning the same thing. You all are 9th standard kids, and you all are learning the same chapter currently, the fun they had, right? You all are learning here because you all are of the same age. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Yes,
you
Yes, ma'am.
ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಒಂದೇ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ರಾ ಅಂತ, ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ನ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ರಾ ಅಂತ. ಅಂಡ್ ಟಾಮಿ, ಆಸ್ ಯು ನೋ, ಹಿಸ್ ಎಲ್ಡರ್, ಹಿ ನೋಸ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾರ್ಗಿ ನೋಸ್. So he told, yes, if they were on the same age, they used to learn the same thing. For that, Margie replied, Margie is very much adjusted to this kind of education, right? That is digital mode, robotic teachers and all. So she told to Tommy, but my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches. It means robotic teacher here. Boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. So that was her, Margie's time of education. She is talking about Mrs. Jones here, but my mother means Margie's mother. But my mother told me a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಟೀಚರ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಮಗುವಿನ I can't explain that in Kannada. Okay, she has to adjust it to fit the mind of each boy and girl. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಮದರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಂತೆ ಮಾರ್ಗಿಗೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಗಿ ಈಸ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. So Margie is defending her kind of education, that each kid has to be taught differently. So she is thinking each kid has to be taught differently. So she is thinking teacher should use different methods of education to fit into the minds of each and every child, so that he can adjust himself to each and every child he is teaching. And the mode or the way teacher teaches, or the methods that the teacher teaches, should be different to each and every kind, to each and every student. So this is how she believed about robotic teachers. And she also thinking the same thing should happen with human teachers. So she raised this doubt, and she's asking to Tommy about this. Just the same, they didn't do it that way then. That means, no, as you are thinking, it's not like that. In the olden times, it is this one method of education, and everyone were used to it. They just the same, they didn't do it that way then. ಈ ತರ ಅವರು ಆಗ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಟಾಮಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಮಾರ್ಗಿಗೆ. If you don't, and Tommy, after answering all her queries, doubts, and disagreement about olden kind of education, Tommy felt hurt. Tommy felt angry, and he told Margie, if you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. And Margie replied, no, I didn't say I didn't like it. Margie said quickly, ನಾನು ಆ ಥರ ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಮಾರ್ಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. She wanted to read about those funny schools. For her, olden kind of education was like funny. So she was curious to know about olden kind of education. She wanted to read about those funny schools. And to know about those funny schools, she has to read the book. In order to know about the schools, she has to read the book. So they weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called, Margie, school. So when they were reading the old book to know more things about the previous or about ancient times, that was the time to school for the Margie. Do you think she will go to school outside of the home?
No, ma'am.
Or bed. The school was in her
No,
bedroom only. Yes, there was a schedule to her to learn each and every subject. So her mother, Mrs. Jones, called out Margie when that was a time for her school, or that was the time for the period. They weren't even off finished with the book, but Margie's mother called, Margie, it's time for your school. So Margie looked up, not yet, Mama, she told. No, it's not even time. But it's already time for her school, and the system was all the time kept on. And in her system, the teacher is already came, that was the time for her class, the teacher is already visible on the screen, and the teacher was calling, sorry, wait, when Margie told, not yet, Mama, it's not yet time. Now, said Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy too. And Mrs. Jones told Margie that now it's already time, Margie, get up. And she also, warned Tommy that it's time for his school as well. Okay, they are, both are getting late to the school. So Mrs. Jones warned both the kids to get up and to go to their schools respectively. Okay, and it's probably time for Tommy too. You are wasting your time. Get up and attend your classes. Like that, Mrs. Jones warned. Margie said to Tommy, "Can I read the book some more with you after school hours?" Tommy replied, "Maybe." Okay, he said nonchalantly. Nonchalantly means not showing much interest or enthusiasm, carelessly. Okay, when Margie asked, "Can I read the book some more time with you after the school hours?" Tommy told, "Okay, maybe some more time." And he walked away whistling. Carelessly, by saying these words, he just walked away from Margie, since it was a time for both of them to learn. The dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. He kept the book under his arms and moved away. Margie went into the schoolroom. Since it was her time to attend classes, she gone into her bedroom, and that was the schoolroom to her. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. So teacher already came to the class. The teacher was waiting for Margie on the computer. So in the future generation, as you think, every child will get a separate teacher, as Margie is having now. Okay, that's how the future education will be. They will subscribe to each and every teacher separate. Each child will get their own choice, teacher of their own choice, or separate teachers. So that's why he came, or a robotic teacher came on the screen, and he was waiting for Margie to attend the class or to sit in front of the system. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. So it was always on. That means system was always on Monday to Friday. The classes will happen on the same time, on the scheduled time every day except Saturday and Sunday. These two are the weekends for them in foreign. Of course, in foreign, Saturday and Sunday will be off. But in India, Saturday will be a half day. We don't find this extra week off. Only Sunday is the weekend to us. But in foreign, Saturday and Sunday both are, week off to them.
Weekend.
Yes, weekend. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. Okay, her class began. It was a time to her school, and the mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen. She was ready to school after having a discussion, question answers with Tommy. She moved on to her classroom and started to listen to her class. Because her mother said little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. So Mrs. Jones was saying to Margie that little girls will learn better when they can learn on a regular basis or regular hours. The screen was lit up. That means screen was on. The class will start in a few seconds. And it said, Today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. When this instruction, recorded instruction by the robotic teacher announced, Margie really felt, like uninterest. She lost interest again in the classroom or about the classes. The same old thing, no? She has to sit in the classroom, sit in the room, uploading her homeworks in the proper, given proper slots. So she was doing the same monotonous work every day, and she fed up with that. Margie did so with a sigh when arithmetic teacher asked to insert homework. Margie did so with a sigh. With a relief, Margie did that. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. So she was thinking she is, completely immersed about the old kind of school or the kind of fun her grandparents must have had in previous or in olden times. She was thinking about the same even after she had a discussion with Tommy. Tommy already moved away, but now Margie is sitting in her classroom, but her mind is still fixed, thinking about the olden kind of schools or the kind of fun her grandparents must have had. Grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom. So she was thinking, her mind is not in her classroom. She was thinking about, only physically she was present in front of a classroom, but mentally she was thinking about the discussion she had with Tommy, or she was fascinated about the book, and she was also fascinated means interest, showing interest, okay, about the old kind of system or the fun that her grandparents had, sitting with friends, in PE periods, having fun with friends, playing in the play yard, that laughter, that screams, or when all the kids from the neighborhood came together. They used to go to schools. Everyone used to go to schools and sit with friends, sitting together in the schoolroom. So these are the things that she observed from the book, and that kept lingering in her mind, kept troubling her mind. So when she compared the old system of education to the system of education that she is having now, she really felt hurt, and she really felt sad, and she finally made a statement that old system of education was better. Grandparents must have had fun because they had friends, they had school classrooms, human being teachers, those fun, and that laughter with friends, that enjoyment, that fun. So she was she was thinking about all that. ಆಲ್ ದ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ನೈಬರ್ಹುಡ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಇರೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರಂತೆ, ನಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಿದ್ರಂತೆ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಪಾಠ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ರಂತೆ ಅಂತ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್, ಲಾಫಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶೌಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಯಾರ್ಡ್, ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ರೂಮ್. And you did previous year, in the year 2018-19, you did all this, right? Huh? You used to come
Yes,
to
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
you
ma'am.
after
Ma'am.
4 in the evening time, when the bell rang, you all used to go to home together, okay, after this long bell, when it is the time to go home, you used to go home together in the school bus or by walking at the end of the day. So they learned the same things, so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. When students are learning the same thing, they can sit in group, they can sit in pair and learn and help each other in completion of their homeworks. This is an advantage for them. And the teachers, of course, they were people. So she was amused by this also, because the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher or her time teachers, robotic teacher, the mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when she was, lost in her thoughts about old kind of education. Immediately, she looked at her system and she saw robotic teacher flashing on the screen, and he was saying, when we add fractions 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, ಅವರು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ robotic teachers, and she was again came back to normal mode, and she was but she gave a statement. Margi was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had, so the chapter name came here at the end. So Margi, lost in her imagination or lost in her thinking about the old kind of schools, and she was fascinated about olden times, olden days, and the fun their grandparents must have had. So she was thinking about the fun they had. She was she was thinking about the fun her grandparents must have had, and she is feeling sorry, sad, because she don't have the fun now. Okay, entire day she is the only student sitting in the home all the day. No friends, no classmates, no classmates or peer group to help with the homework, nothing. Only mechanical teachers, the same old thing. So she was happy when she thought about the old kind of school and the fun they had, and she is sad at the same time thinking about her education and her present education system. So, did you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Any
Yes.
doubt?
the notes you'll give in PDF form or you'll dictate in class, ma'am.
Notes, huh? Okay, I'll see if I can. I'll upload that as study material. You can
Okay, ma'am.
mm, write
Yes,
in
ma'am, we
Blackboard.
can write.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Any
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
Okay,
any
ma'am. What is lesson name, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
what is your doubt?
What is the lesson name, ma'am?
You don't know the lesson name. Who is this?
The fun they had.
Without knowing the chapter name, ಅದೇನೋ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾದೆ ಇದೆ, ರಾತ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಕೇಳಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಸೀತೆಗೂ ರಾಮನ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಸಾರಿ, ಸೀತೆಗೂ ರಾಮನ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಅಂದಂಗಾಯ್ತು ನಿನ್ ಕತೆ. ಹಾ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯು ನೋ ದ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನೇಮ್? This is Tejaswini, right? Who asked the chapter name?
Me, ma'am.
Who? Your name?
Ayman.
Ayman. Is it your first class?
No,
Or
ma'am.
you also listened to the previous class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay then. Can you please summarize the chapter in your own words? Ayman. Please open your camera. I would like to see you and explain me whatever you learned in your own words. Ayman, I can't see you. Please open your camera. I can't see you, please. Okay. Who can summarize the chapter? Or can I see you? Ayman, please show your face. You don't have to answer, okay? At least show your face. ಯಾರದು ಐಮಾನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ? ತೋರ್ಸು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಖ ಆದ್ರೂ ತೋರಿಸಿ.
Showing, ma'am.
No, I can't see you. No.
I have on, ma'am. Already.
No, you're not. Camera is not on. Okay, Ayman. Now tell me, what did you understand, dear? You don't know the
Mar-
chapter name.
Margie and Tommy are two kids, ma'am. They found their grandfather's book, ma'am. In the attic, they found their grandfather's book, ma'am. Margie was writing diary about how Tommy found an old book of her grandfather's. They both decided to read the book, ma'am.
True. Go ahead.
When they were reading the book, they got to know how at olden times how the classes were going. There was humans were teaching them, not robotic teachers, and they were giving homeworks, assignments, and all. And after that, when they were not finished yet, ma'am, reading the book. When their parents, her mother, Mrs. John, called them and told them to attend their online classes, ma'am. So when they went, Margie was not in her senses, ma'am. She was just thinking about how they were having fun with their friends and going home. While going home, and they used to sit in the same benches and keep chatting while the teacher is teaching them.
What is the chapter name?
I don't know, ma'am.
What? Really? Oh my God. Are you serious, Ayman? Are you serious? Don't you know the chapter? Huh? Ayman? This is the chapter name. Can you see?
Ma'am,
Yes,
You
ma'am.
entire chapter, you don't know the chapter name. At least now you please open your eyes wide and have this picture recorded in your eyes. The fun they had. My God, you're hilarious. Huh? Anant,
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
yes, can you please summarize the chapter?
Ma'am, can I do it in my own way and can I put it on my own words? I don't know
Sure.
how to do it.
Yes, sure.
Ma'am, at first, actually, the main scene, the heading scene comes the room of Margie, because she will be writing a diary about how her elder brother Tommy found the book of her grandfather. So then the scene continues, and then she takes that book to the Tommy and they discuss a lot of things like what is this book. The grandfather wrote something about the school. They were sitting together. So she had as many doubts as even Tommy couldn't expect those many doubts should come to an 10 years old girl. And he was even surprised when she said that how could a man be a teacher, because Tommy said he supported his father and no child will try to go away from their father's side. So he was always trying to oppose Marky, because he thought that way was correct. He would be sitting alone and that couldn't mean anything. And next scene comes, means next conversations comes of how the classes, it wasn't interesting for the Margie of the geographical students, and they didn't like the teacher. They went to the county, no, what that next one? County inspector, I think so.
Inspector.
Yes, ma'am, county inspector. So they went to them, clarified everything. And even though Margie thought that she would get a very big scoldings, and even though she was thinking that, she was hoping that her teacher would go. But two also didn't happen, ma'am. Her teacher didn't go and she didn't get scolding. But one more case happened that she felt happy, because the county inspector said her performance was quite satisfactory. And one more thing, she was very disappointed because their brother was very lucky, as they could say. Their history work class was cancelled, but she was not cancelled. So when she went for quarreling that, he looked with some superior eyes, like superiority. I'm elder than you, so why would you compare to me? And next it comes. And next it comes some situation that they'll be trying to move on to read the lesson, but what can do? Even they have also school like us, no ma'am. Even though she attends the school, she doesn't give any sense or any attention. Any attention to the Microsoft robotic. Always thinks about the book which is kept near her. And at last, the the author concludes that the fun they had by saying the main character and the main protagonist, by saying those words by Margie herself. Means Margie says that the fun they had was very good.
I did not
Ma'am, I
get your
could say
last.
next.
Could you please repeat the last sentence?
No, actually, conclusion always, if it is a movie, it's a novel or a story, the novel or the novelist try to say always opposes, ma'am. Like if Maggie is the main character, she doesn't conclude that old was good. But at last, she only said, no, ma'am, the fun they had was very good. So always when a protagonist always opposes, the novelist try to make it correct. Always opposes the main protagonist. So I try to say like that.
Good
That's my
analysis. Okay.
thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Ma'am,
Go ahead.
Maggie wrote in her diary that Tommy found a book, no, ma'am. They were not having the books, and how did she write in her diary, ma'am?
She wrote it in a computer.
Be a electronic
In a
diary, ma'am.
computer diary. My notes
Yes, ma'am,
computer.
computer.
Ma'am, I think she wrote in a computer, ma'am.
It might be
In
in
Word document.
Computer, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
She wrote
Your
in a
friends
computer.
Yes,
in
ma'am,
your
in an
doubt.
electronic diary.
It can be
Yes,
a
ma'am, electronic.
electronic diary. Okay. It can be
Okay, ma'am.
electronic page where she can enter her
Like
day-to-day activity.
Kindles and all.
Yes,
Yes,
like
ma'am.
that. Okay. Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Nothing,
You
ma'am.
clearly understood the chapter?
Ma'am?
yes.
Clearly understood the chapter? No doubts?
No, ma'am, no
No
doubts.
doubt.
No doubts.
No, ma'am, no, ma'am, no, ma'am, no, ma'am, no,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Tisya,
Ma'am?
Kalyani, any doubt?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Clearly understood the chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Kalyani? Kalyani, have any doubts? Is Kalyani present or absent today? Kalyani, are you here or not? Kalyani, absent? Okay. Kubera NR.
Ma'am,
Okay.
hello.
Yes, wait. How old are Margie and Tommy?
Ma'am,
How old Margie? How old is Margie and how old is
ma'am, Margie was 11 years old, ma'am.
Mhm.
Tommy was 13 years old.
Correct answer. Good. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Aishwarya.
Ma'am?
Had Margie ever seen a book before?
No, ma'am. Margie had never seen a book before.
Very good. Okay, next question goes to V and Akhil.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you think a telebook is? What do you think a telebook is?
It would be a book in the telephone, like in the mobile phone, like
No,
electronic book.
no, your
Electronic.
answer.
Can I, ma'am?
Or it was
Even I can try.
Okay,
Ma'am, can
Sheshu.
I try, ma'am?
Sheshu, can you answer?
Ma'am, can I tell, ma'am?
Sheshu.
Can I, ma'am?
Is Sheshu absent or can I mark you as absent if you don't reply? Answer, Sheshu. At least you should say I'm present. This is wrong behavior, Sheshu. You should answer, no? If you can't answer, at least say yes, you are present and you don't know answer. Something like that you can say. Okay. If students won't answer for the questions that I raised, I'll give them absent. Devaranga,
Ma'am,
good. What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? What subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Directly
ma'am, I have
reference
joined today, ma'am, class.
in the previous class.
Ma'am, I was absent, ma'am.
Palak,
Yes, ma'am.
Palak, to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what subjects did Margie and Tommy learn?
Margie learned geography and mathematics while Tommy learned history subject.
Very good. Okay, Aditya HG.
Yes, ma'am.
What things about the book did she find strange? What things about the book that Margie finds strange?
Ma'am, I did not get you, ma'am.
Okay, I repeat the question to you. What things about the book did she find strange? What things about the book Margie finds strange?
She finds that that human beings were teaching before, and that
Very
schools were built, and friends were there for many children learnt in same buildings, and she thought about that was strange, ma'am.
okay, Sheshu, since you are saying that in your mobile there is a problem with your microphone, you can please type your answers in chat box. Here is your question for Sheshu. I want every child to answer. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Type your answers in the chat box now.
Everyone, ma'am.
No. This is a question for Sheshu, and Sheshu is going to type the answer in chat box since his microphone is not working. Please type. I'm watching you. I'm waiting for your answer in chat box. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Yeah, come on, type in chat and send me. Send me the message. We are waiting for you. Okay, no, she had no classmates. Good. And there was two questions that I asked you. Where was Margie's school then? Where was Margie's school? Okay, Margie's school was next to her bedroom. That means Margie's school was in the home. Okay, Margie's classroom was
Virtual school, ma'am.
next to her bedroom. Yes, there
She
was a
had a
separate
separate school
in
room,
her
ma'am.
home for school. Okay, she had a very separate small room in which every gadgets or the equipments that she needed was set up next to her bedroom. Bedroom was separate, and next to her bedroom there was a small room that was set up for the education, for the reason of education. Okay, like an electronic room, and it was a virtual classroom. Good, Ruchita and Anand. Okay, thank you so much. I am overwhelmed to see the responses and involvement in the classroom. Keep up the same. Thank you. I
Thank
will
you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Nice
ma'am.
lesson, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.